Dear 17-year-old me, I know you are confused. Career, future, relationships. Everything seems blurry. Your friends have answers, and you are roaming around with only questions. But listen, I have learnt something for you which I wish I had known earlier. I will tell you some things which can change your life. Firstly, for years I kept running after approval. What will people think? This had become the decision-making system of my life, and in this process, I lost my dreams. My identity, everything. Secondly, the confusion you feel is normal, but you keep ignoring it. You think everyone is doing this? Why should I go different? But I am saying that you are different. I ran after corporate jobs to impress people. I kept living a fake life, and every night I used to go to bed and think of only one question. For whom did I do all this? Then one day, I understood that life is based on someone else's rules. You can't live only once. You will be 18, and the path you walk now will decide your future. So listen from today. Find your passion. Do that work in which you forget. Life is short, filled with regrets. Life seems even shorter, so don't do what you are doing just because everyone is doing the same. Make your own path. Don't wait for your dreams, start now.